This is where new machines, we were talking about touchscreen type machines, computers, whether it be Kerbau or Speed Queen or even Fagor and some other brands, having the ability to have programmability within the machines so that we can make a shorter wash and then add adders so that if they want an extra rinse or they want an extra wash, they can pay for it. But having high G extract machines, so we're really removing that moisture out of let the washer spin that water out instead of putting it into a dryer and having the dryer to evaporate it with heat. So that's a big deal in today's world is try to keep those utility costs down as much as possible. Design LED lighting. There's a host of different ways that you can, again, take advantage of today's modern equipment to really, reduce your utility costs. So, we do a lot of surveys where we go out there and we'll look at utility bills and look at it as a percentage of their revenues and make sure are they above, below, or very extreme, performing extremely well, and give them a benchmark. And so, talking to professionals that really understand that and help them identify where they're, bleeding out in terms of utilities. If they are programmability, we can maybe look at and see if cut a rinse out or do something like that where we could change a formula for them. But there's unfortunately, you can't change the size of the sump. If the sump is holding 2 or 3 gallons and the new one's only going to hold a half a gallon, I can't change that. So dryers, kind of the same way. Most of the old standing pilot light machines are all gone. Everything is spark igniter. So there's a lot of that utility captures already happened in the marketplace.